Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I'll be going over application of the Spigen Lens Protection right here. I'll be also obviously replacing the one that I have applied right now. This one is a cheap one that I can get. This from the Spigen is a little bit better, which you will see in a moment. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Okay, that's basically all we have right here. We have a little bit of a info right here on how to apply it. Taking that off. Okay. So this would go like so. Okay. Now, I'm gonna look at this a little bit more to try to figure it out. Okay, so not much to it. Okay, so do have a little bit of a sticker right here for removing dust. We have this, which I have no clue what we would be using this for. Does maybe show us anything? No, it does not. I do have an idea. So maybe if you have like mispositioned this a little bit, you can kind of like lift it up. It is kind of like a wedge, as you can see. On a white background you can see it a little bit better, so I possibly could use that for it. We have a little cloth right here, and yeah, that's about it. So let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna take off the case and I'm gonna rip this off. There we go, yoink, gone. And I'm gonna give it a nice wipe around. Even though technically there shouldn't be anything in there, I still want to be just absolutely certain about it. Now, luckily, we do have two of them, so if you screw one up, you can always just have a second go at it. There we go. So, from here, once I actually remove the speck of dust that is right here, there we go. We're gonna peel that off and we're gonna place it down. You want to make sure it goes over the cameras. So there we go, it looks like it went over. Press it down and then all we need to do is, just lift it up and voila, perfectly on there, as you can see. And surprisingly, you can't actually really tell that anything is on. It just looks like the camera bump is a little bit bigger, but it's not very noticeable. Gonna give it a little bit more of a squeeze right here, just in case one of them isn't holding too well. There we go. So here we go, it's now applied. And that being said, like, I cannot really tell that anything is on here, which is actually pretty nice compared to the previous one that I had applied right here. This one, obviously this one seems cheap and not too good compared to this one. This one looks just like the phone came like this, so that's pretty good. And obviously putting it back on the device, it doesn't interfere with anything, it's still perfectly on there. And in terms of additional bulk, it doesn't seem like it added just a little bit more, because it is very, very close to the bezel of the case right here, which typically the cameras would be a little bit below, recessed in this. With this is about on the same level, so it does add just a little bit of additional thickness to the cameras, but it still should be pretty well protected. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.